where can we burn out the old ones?
You'll have some questions and I'll have all the answers.
This is what happens when you don't install your wheels at Premier Tire. Okay, push this.
Got this Cadillac Escalade behind me. Customer just pulled up. He's like, hey, I bought some rims online. Can you guys install them? We said, yes, no problem. Alright. What's this? Alright, so looks like the spring rivets are in, everybody. If you need some Nokian tires, let us know, 905-856-7467. We are one of the very, very few authorized Nokian dealers in the city. And if you know about Nokians, you know.
It's not bad. It's still like classy, you know? Okay, push. Sounds better. Three out of 4 Redesteins have just arrived. Still waiting on that last one because these tires, as you can tell by the size, are very difficult to get. 355s. This is for our Project GLE 63. Stay tuned, we got some sick wheels that are in production.
If let's say there's an issue with the wheels, let's say the wheels are bad, right? Like there's like a warranty problem with them. Then we'll just arrange to ship them back and we'll work with the wheel manufacturer to get you a replacement or whatever the case is. We're always here to handle it. Whether they're in Toronto or in Quebec, such as yourself, we always handle the issue. Like any issue involved, we always take care of it. Bye. So just got off the phone with a customer from Quebec City. Quebec is a French-speaking province in general. However, in Quebec City, majority of people don't speak English. So this gentleman called me. He's like, hey, I don't speak really good English, but I love the way you do your emails. I love the service you're providing me with. And I want to order the wheels for my Toyota RAV4. And I'm gonna send him one more email letting him know how the warranty procedure works in the event if anything ever happens. Dealing with us, customers always have peace of mind that in the event if anything ever goes wrong, we're here to fix it, whether local in the city or if we ship it to a different province. So I'm just gonna shoot him another email and he said, let's go ahead with doing the deposit. So stay tuned.
Okay, we got a very unique Jaguar XJL. It's the 575R edition. Client's taken off his winter tires. His summers have been waiting here in storage. So we're gonna get the 22s put on. Obviously the weather is starting to heat up. So stay tuned and see how this thing looks in the summer.
I can check like some other vendors that might have them in stock here. So if you want me to check the size for you right now, I can actually do that right away for you too. Yeah, no, but this is the R compound stuff. So this stuff is starting to trickle in now. I know that usually over the winter season they don't ship them because they can crack during transport. Yeah, so all the R compound stuff is like starting to trickle in now. Okay, I'll tell you what I retail them for. We have 2 retail locations, so we also retail the brand. And I'll tell you what your pricing is gonna be. Okay, not a problem. So I'll start with sending over the quote for the Savini wheels. Also, I'll send you a link for some of the pricing that we have, like the wholesale and the retail and whatnot. That way you don't have to call for pricing. It's just going to be, if your customers call you guys, hey, I want Giovanna wheels, you can give the price bing bang boom without having to get on a phone call. Got it, no problem. Well, we have lots of inventory. We have over 800 Giovanna wheels in stock for all types of fitments. We have lots of blank Savini wheels as well in stock. So I'll get you guys set up, and then you'll have some questions and I'll have all the answers.
All finished up, 22s are on. This thing's ready for a wash and it's gonna be looking cleaner than all the other XJs in the city. These have the Avant-Garde M615s in a custom finish. If you guys want Avant-Garde wheels, make sure you hit us up.
Yeah, bro, but I have my stock wheels in my trunk still, so you think we can just grab the programming on that and just start
Yeah,
on
for
this
sure.
again?
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Just swing by.
Okay, sounds good, brother.
Okay,
you guys
cool.
want a coffee or anything?
No, I'm cool. If you have time for it, I wouldn't mind to take 12 for the boys.
Okay.
The front is nice and aggressive, and you look at the back, and it's like it's tucked in.
Do you know that the wheels are staggered offsets?
They're not.
I'm pretty sure we did stagger offsets.
No, they're 305s all the way around.
I know, but the rims, the offsets are staggered, even though it's the same width.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure that is supposed to be on the rear.
What is?
That wheel. That's the rear, this is the front. It's not aggressive like this front. Yeah, you gotta switch them. This is what happens when you don't install your wheels at Premier Tire. Try doing it yourself.
I got them installed at Premier Tire.
Yeah, there's no way.
Trying to
See, this
save
is
some
why-
money over here.
This is why I make my own pizzas. I don't.
Oh, Eatzza My Pizza, baby. Coming to Premier Tires soon.
Soon. Thanks for the goodies.
Yeah, you guys want to grab some here or in the front?
May as well leave it for these guys. They're gonna end up going to the front anyway.
But you see? That's what you look
This
great.
you can bring to the front.
Bring to the front? Okay.
Appreciate
Thank
you.
Should I leave the key with you guys quick or?
What are we doing?
No guarantees, but I'll call you in about an hour. I'll let you know.
rolling, you know? Tonight,
I want
26.
to be rolling too, brother.
Tipping.
I haven't even washed my car in
Tipping.
4 months, brother. Everybody wants to look good. Can I look good for once? Shit. I don't even have time to wash.
Let me know. Give me a shout.
Okay, I'll let you know.
Because then I gotta figure out the wife. I gotta switch the cars around and all that.
Alright, I'll let you know.
Take it easy.
Okay, I'll call you in an hour.
Ciao, boys.
Do you like Jay's games, Sticks?
I've never been actually.
You don't? Okay, well, I'll hook
I've
you up then.
never been.
We got season tickets this year.
Did you?
Yeah, for our scout. So we'll hook you guys up.
Awesome. I've actually never been. I was actually talking to Karma about that a few weeks ago. I'm like, we were talking about it's like, yo, it's getting kind of boring in Toronto. We do the same things. It's dinner, dinner, dinner,
And you spend
dinner,
money,
dinner,
money,
dinner.
money, money.
Yeah, it's you either go to the mall or you go out for dinner. I've never been. It was actually on my to-do list this year to go to a Blue Jays game.
Yeah.
Simply because I've never been.
So we're just on our way right now to an undisclosed location. One of our clients came in for 2 new tires on his GT3 RS, and he's like, listen, before we install the new ones, where can we burn out the old ones?
guys over from Across Canada Construction. If you guys got a fleet, we got the tires, baby. We do all fleet services, fleet discounts, fleet pricing, and we got 2 locations. Come on down, sign up on.
Niro from Art Motion just pulled up with his Cadillac Escalade, and we're gonna get it ready for the summer. So, what are we gonna be doing? We're gonna be putting on the 26s. So stay tuned for this one, because it's gonna look hot. I had to slam it on those fitted specs.
Relearned? Whatever. Don't add that.
You got the same thing?
No, no, no.
But it's
the lunch.
Bro, I was supposed to bring the fucking chairs and I didn't bring the chairs.
Yeah, I know. I gotta bring stuff too.